Hello, beautiful souls. Happy March. Wow, where did the time go for February? It literally felt like a week. So, I hope this video finds you well, wherever you may be. Just wanted to do a quick tarot read to see where the energy's at for the month of March for us. We can glean any insights from the universe. Okay, here we go. Wow, okay. So, first up, we have the World and the Ace of Swords. So we're coming to a completion of a cycle and we're stepping out as our true selves. And the Ace of Swords is showing us that we're speaking our truth finally. We're not afraid to speak our truth anymore. That is a beautiful message. In the past, we have the Three of Wands. The Three of Wands is about looking for a new direction in life. You have the capability, the knowledge, the creativity. You just don't know quite where to go. So you were looking for maybe a new place to live, a new place to work, maybe a new community. So that was in the past. And the energy in the middle is the Queen of Wands. So it's just saying that we're here, we're sovereign, we're calling in our power. We have the ability to manifest in this life what it is we truly want. So we use those gifts and abilities to their fullest potential. And in the future, we have the Nine of Wands. This could be a little frustrating for some. Maybe there's, one last hurdle you have to get over, one last battle. You've really been through the ringer, but you're this close to getting there. Okay, so you might just have one more little hurdle to jump, but keep the momentum going. This Queen of Wands in the middle is super powerful. It's saying you're going to get what you want. Just, have the courage, have the faith. And the advice from the universe is the Nine of Cups and the Seven of Swords. So this is so beautiful. It's a wish come true. You just have to organize yourself, have a good strategy, make things align. You make the first step, and the universe will come through to fulfill those missing pieces that you're looking for. So, maybe if you feel lost in direction wise where you want to go, make any action. Just take the next step. And if it's the wrong step, the universe will interact and divert you to your true path. So the main thing is taking action. And the wishes come true is just, it can't be more beautiful than that. So really just stay focused, keep your magic going, keep being the beautiful soul that you are, and all my best to you. I really hope this reading helped maybe clear some things up for you. If you would like a one-on-one reading with me, I offer consults through mindysquantumwellness.com. No matter what challenges you're going through, difficulties, if you keep finding yourself in repetitive loops, I am here to help clear those blockages, help you to gain clarity in your life, and to lead you on your path for your ultimate potential. So I would be so honored if you would like to work with me. Okay, I'll see you next time.